Hi guys, this is Engineer Imran Aziz. Welcome to CivTech Simplified. Today we are starting another important topic of civil engineering. It's urban transportation planning. We are going to start this topic with part 1, wherein we will be presenting 25 multiple choice questions, and these questions would definitely help you for GAT exam. So let's get started with today's video. And remember, all the correct answers will be highlighted so that you could review them effectively at later stages. Question number 1 for today's video is population of a metro city. There are 4 options available with us. Option A is more than option available with us are option A more than 10 million, option B more than 20 million, option C more than 4 million, option D more than 1 million. So the population for a metro city should be more than 4 million. C is the correct answer for this question. Question number 2, population for a megacity. Option A is more than 10 million. Option B is more than 20 million. Option C more than 1 million. And option D is more than 4 million. Population for a megacity should be more than 10 million. So A is the correct answer for this question. The early question was about the population of a metro city. It should be more than 4 million, while the population for a megacity should be more than 10 million. Question number 3. It is particular articulation or simple arrangement of adapted spaces or different types of land uses or lands in different uses that might exist in an urban area. Option A, what is this? Urban area. Option B, urban form. Option C, urban structure. Or option D, urban agglomeration. So it is particular articulation or simply arrangement of adapted spaces or different types of land uses or lands in different uses that might exist in an urban area. It's urban structure. So C is the correct answer. This definition is for urban structure. Then we have another definition, question number 4. In this type of urban structure, the household concentrates first on the community center, while a number of community centers are directed towards the district centers. First, the households are concentrated on the community centers, and then community centers are concentrated towards the district center. So, such type of urban settlement or structure is called option A, centripetal type of urban structure. Option B, grid iron type of urban structure. Option C, linear type of urban structure. Or option D, finger type of urban structure. So it's inward to outward. So it's a centripetal type of urban structure. First the household, then the community centers, and then the district center. That's why its development is inward to outward. Therefore, it is called centripetal type of urban structure. Question number 5. It is related to physical arrangement of residence, workplaces. It can be treated as footprint of urban area allocated in the form of land uses. Option A, urban area. Option B, urban form. Option C, urban structure. Or option D, urbanization. So it is related to the physical arrangement of residence and workplaces, and it can be treated as footprint of urban area allocated in the form of land use. So it's called urban form. Option B is the correct answer. Then we have another definition, option A. It is particular articulation or simply arrangement of adapted spaces. We already discussed this question. It's the definition of urban structure. Question number 7. Transportation system consists of dash. Option A, fixed facilities. Option B, flow entities. Option C, control systems. And option D, all of the above. Transportation system consists of all these options: fixed facilities, flow entities, and option C, control systems. So all these are the features or the components of a transportation system. There must be fixed facilities, maybe it's bus stations or fuel stations or sheds, anything. Then they have flow entities, the corridors, and then they have control devices or control systems for the transportation system to make them operationalize and movement management, for the movement management and maneuvering. So these control devices are installed. Option D is the correct answer for this question. All these are correct. Question number 8. Ease of movement refers to dash. Option A, accessibility. Option B, mobility. Option C, transport. Option D, none of the above. So ease of movement refers to mobility. B is the correct answer. Question number 9. Access to activities refers to dash. Option A, accessibility. Option B, mobility. Option C, trip. Option D, none of the above. So access to activities refers to accessibility. A is the correct answer. Question number 10. Act of moving from one place to another is known as. Act of moving from one place to another is known as option A, transport. Option B, transportation. Option C, trip. Option D, none of the above. So act of moving from one place to another place is known as transport. So A is the correct answer. Question 11. Means or phenomenon or process for moving from one place to another is called option A, transportation system. Option B, trip. Option C, transport. Option D, none of the above. Yes, the means, phenomena are the processes for moving from one place to another place is called the transportation. A is the correct answer. And that act is called transport. Number 12, urbanization leads to growth in dash. Option A, population. Option B, human activity. Option C, area of city. Option D, all of the above. Urbanization leads to growth in population, human activity, and area of the city. So D is the correct answer. Question number 13. What is the main cause of accidents in urban areas? What is the main cause of accidents in the urban areas? Option A, improper planning. Option B, extra wide roads. Option D, additional thickness of pavement. And option D, traffic congestion. So the main cause of the accidents in an urban area is due to improper or ill planning. So A is the correct answer. Question 14. As per Indian Census 2011, there are dash urban agglomerations in India. How many are the urban agglomerations in India as per the census of 2011? Option A is 457. Option B is 475. Option C is 574. And option D is 745. So B is the correct answer. It's 475. The urban transportation dash is the process that leads to the decisions on transportation policies and programs. Urban transportation dash is the process that leads to decisions on transportation policies and programs. Option A, system. Option B, planning. Option C, approach. Option D, none of the above. Yes, urban transportation planning is the process that helps the planners or decision makers for making good decisions on transportation policies and programs. So B is the correct answer for this question. Question 16. Which of the following is not a reason behind growth of cities? Which of the following is not a reason behind growth of the cities? Option A, trade and commerce. Option B, hygienic outlook of people. Option C, industrialization or industrialism. Option D, development of transport. So the reason not responsible for the growth of the cities is B out of all these four, which is hygiene and outlook of the people. Otherwise, all three are the reasons or the primary causes of growth of the city, like trade and commerce. People move to the cities due to trade and commerce related activities. Option C is industrialization. Option D is development of transport system. So all these three are the reasons, but option B is not a reason behind the growth of the cities. Therefore, for this question, it is the correct answer. 17. Which of the following is not one of the features of urban community? Which of the following is not one of the reason or features of urban community? Option A, complex life. Option B, glamour in life. Option C, agricultural area. Option D, materialistic. So the urban community, option C, is not the feature of urban community. C, agricultural area, as the urban areas are normally not the agricultural areas. 18. Dash refers to refurbishing or replacement of old buildings and new use of previously developed land in urban areas. Option A, urban planning. Option B, urban recycling. Option C, urbanism. Option D, none of the above. So B, urban recycling refers to refurbishing or replacement of old buildings and new use of previously developed land in urban areas. So B is the correct answer for this question. Question 19. Dash is inverse of urbanization. What is the inverse of urbanization? Option A, reverse migration. Option B, under urbanization. Option C, over urbanization. And option D, suburbanization. So dash is the inverse of urbanization, which is option D, suburbanization. Suburbanization is the inverse of urbanization. Question 20. Megacities are the cities having population more than dash. Option A, 10 millions. Option B, 20 millions. Option C, 5 millions. And option D, 15 millions. Megacities are the cities having population more than 10 millions. Question 21. Metropolitan area has population of dash or more. Option A, 15 lakh. Option B, 20 lakh. Option C, 10 lakh. And option D, 30 lakh. So metropolitan area has a population. Option C, 10 lakh or more. C is the correct answer. Question 22. Traffic congestion can be solved by dash. Traffic congestion can be solved by dash. Option A, increasing roadway throughout. Option B, increasing passenger throughout. Option C, reducing demand. And option D, all of the above. So all these are the correct answer. Therefore, for this question, D is the correct option. 23. Utilization of resources refers to which role of transportation? Utilization of resources refers to which role of transportation? Option A, economic role. Option B, political role. Option C, social role. And option D, none of the above. So utilization of resources refers to which role of transportation? Its economic role. A is the correct answer. 24. What is the full form of NUTP? NUTP. Option A, National Urban Transportation Plan. Option B, National Urban Transport Plan. Option C, National Urban Transportation Policy. And option D, National Urban Transport Policy. So D here is the correct answer. The NUTP means it's the National Urban Transport Policy. D is the correct answer. Question 24. Transportation system helps to dash. Option A, overcome geographical. Option B, more efficiently, or move efficiently. Option C, participate in activity. And option D, all of the above. So transportation system helps in all these. So D is the correct answer, which is all of the above. So thank you for watching this part of our ongoing video series. We have so far covered 25 questions under urban transportation planning, and these questions were designed and gathered just to support the engineers who are preparing themselves for any sort of the professional exam or GAT test. So please subscribe to CivTech Simplified for upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. So thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.